All right, so for here it says dynasty is overthrown through rebellion and bloodshed. New dynasty emerges. So here, it doesn't necessarily mean that someone else comes in, takes over, and claims the throne. It might be that even the or the people that live in that dynasty, that through rebellion, through so much like protest and trying to like make themselves heard, um, maybe there's practically like a war within themselves, and someone within that dynasty eventually does take over. So because that happens, a new dynasty gains power. And dynasty is it's just a mean a set of people. So that set of people have the power over their dynasty. It's kind of like their kingdom. So a new dynasty gains power, restores peace and order, which means they bring it back. Um, it's peaceful. Things have gotten better. There's order put in place, and they claim to have the mandate of heaven. So remember that when someone claims to have the mandate of heaven, they claim that they were given permission from the gods to rule, if they govern, as long as they governed properly and fairly. So due to a new dynasty, they become a strong dynasty that establishes peace and prosperity. So they have the mandate of heaven, everything's going right. But remember, because this is a cycle, that means that it repeats themselves. So that strong dynasty, eventually it becomes corrupt, and then disasters can happen, and then it becomes overruled, and then a new dynasty comes up. So it is a cycle that happens over and over again. So just as a reminder, very important. So they have royal dynasties. That is what their kingdoms are called. And I had tried to make a video before this one, and I completely forgot to mention this. But if you have seen Mulan, my brother and I, we saw Mulan like 2 days ago. They have. Wait, I mentioned that in the other video. Forget what I said. Never mind. See you next time.